overwhelming. That's the first impression you have. But that's quickly followed up with an emotion of seeing all the different people come together, the churches, the communities, Sharon Contreras, Mayor Nancy Vaughn, all the different organizations, our police department, making a difference in our community. It's very encouraging what we've seen there today.
Well, it breaks my heart, frankly. I'm very impressed with our first responders, very impressed with the judgment of the citizens who saw to it that it wasn't worse.
I think it gives hope for the entire community.